G-Shock, model number 553. This watch, yeah, it's a good watch. I ain't gonna lie, it's a good watch. But man, if you are farsighted and you try to read this manual, you're gonna have some problems. See, like even the camera got problems. There you go. Try reading that. All right, so that's why I'm doing this video. This is about the alarms and how to turn them off. There are 4 alarms: alarm 1, alarm 2, alarm 3, alarm 4. There is also a snooze button, a snooze alarm, and then there's also SIG, which is a signal, which will let it alarm every hour on the hour, which is annoying if you don't know how to turn it off. So let's get into this video. Okay, so right here we got the bottom left, which is mode. Top left, adjust. Top right, reverse. Bottom right, forward. First thing you want to do is you want to hold on to the mode button. That's gonna let you see what you are adjusting. Okay, that's the alarm right there. That's snooze. All right, that's your date and your time. And this is your date, your month, and the day right here. All right, now when you get to alarm, so you want to get to the alarm. When you get there, you hold this until it beeps. Okay, so now you're ready to set the alarm. So here's the trick. You see that on sign right there? You don't want that to be on. So you press adjust until it's not on anymore. That's for your snooze. So you press this now until you get to alarm. And this is gonna be SIG. This is what I was talking about, where I said every hour it is going to go off. This is alarm 1. As you can see, it's off. This is alarm 2. It's off. This is alarm 3. Off. Alarm 4. Off. Snooze. Off. So let's just say you wanted to turn on the signal. You would come up to adjust, hold it. As you can see, it's on. But I don't want it to be on, so it's off. All right. Now we go to alarm 1. You want it to be on. You press that. See that? It's on. I don't want that. It's off. Alarm 2. It's on. It's off. Alarm 4. It's on. It's off. All right. And snooze. On. Snooze. Off. So I'm pressing this. I'm going forward to turn it off. I go back to mode. And there you go. Just to make sure I get back to alarm, I see that it's off, you know, and that's how you turn them all off. If you got any questions, just put it in the comment section. Otherwise, good luck reading that manual. Hopefully you are nearsighted. You'll be all right.